Hello everyone, this is Bailing from Guangzhou Belparts Engineering Machinery Limited. Now we are in our factory hydraulic pump workshop. First of all, the parts coming to our eyes are some spare parts of the pump. Every part which will be do the heating treatment for 12 hours. They are all produced in our factory, including pump housing, swash plate and support, cylinder block, valve plate, ball guide, spring, drive shaft, shoe plate, center pin, head cover, gear pump, exactly. The rotary screw assembled first, and other parts placed in order of assembling. As we can see, every regulator and solenoid valve we will test before installing on pump. Newly assembled parts will move to testing workshop. Every pump will be tested on pipe testing machine for at least half an hour. Till every indicator meets the requirement, that will go to the painting workshop and then packing with waterproof plastic bag inside and tough wooden bolts outside. Now we have more than 2,300 pieces hydraulic pump for different models, shipping to our customer all over the world every month. We provide 1-year warranty and online technical support. If you are interested in, welcome to visit our factory.